is on calculus and a cubic function. Let's have a look at the actual question. Find the coordinates of the turning points in terms of C of the curve defined by fx is equal to 2x cubed minus 24x plus c. State with respect to each point whether the point is a local minimum or a local maximum. Alright, now first of all, we need to know how to determine a turning point of a cubic graph, and the method is as follows. We need to differentiate and equal to 0. So finding the first derivative of the formula, let's have a look. F prime is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, and x, then we minus a little 1 from the 3, so 3 minus 1 is squared, minus 24, and we equal it to 0. So what did we do? We've differentiated or found the first prime of the function, and then we equal it to 0. In this case, we will be able to get (6x squared) on the left hand side, which is equal to 24. So x squared will be equal to 4. Hence we can say x is equal to plus minus 2. Alright, so now we know what the two x values of the turning points are. We can go and substitute that back into the original formula and find the y values. Alright, let's go and do just that. So wherever we have an x in the first place, we will substitute that with x being positive 2. So x being positive 2 is equal to 2 cubed minus 24 times 2 plus c. And if we simplify that, we get c minus 32. So this is the y value at the point where x is positive 2. And the y will be c minus 32. Alright, let's substitute it with x being negative 2. And then we get the y value of the next turning point. So f of negative 2 is equal to 2 negative 2 cubed minus 24 negative 2 plus c, and the answer there will be c plus 32. Alright, now we have our y value at the turning point of this cubic graph where x is equal to negative 2. So then y will be c plus 32. In the next part of the question, we need to determine which of these sets of coordinates is a local minimum and which one is a local maximum. So if we have to go and draw this function as a very rough sketch, because this value before the x cubed is a positive value, we know that first of all the function will be increasing. Right, so roughly it will look something like this. Therefore, where x is positive 2, it will be a local minimum. So this will be the turning point of c minus 32 for the y value. And at the local maximum, we will have minus 2 and c plus 32. There you go. So we've answered this question We've determined the two turning points.